Thanks to the internet and other societal advancements, it is now easier to earn money. I will make it easier by sharing with you one of the simplest ways to earn a decent amount of money online. It is very easy because all you need to do is to click things out. This hack does not require you to sell products. It also does not require any camera skills nor experiences. All you need to do is to click and you will certainly earn money online. This is a completely free hack that is available worldwide. Once you go to their website, you can definitely earn money. However, if you can finish this video, then the earnings that you will receive will surely increase because of the tips and hacks that I will share with you. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, let us proceed with the video. First, go to youlikehits.com. This is a website that allows you to earn points by clicking on websites. There are also other sites that will allow you to earn real money. So stay tuned until the end of this video to know more about them. Otherwise, you might not be able to cash out your points into real money and all your efforts will go to waste. Now, you need to sign up for a free account on youlikehits.com. To do this, just press the green button that says Sign Up. After that, create a username, insert your email address, and think of a unique password. Click the Sign Up button after that. See, the registration process is really simple. After you have your account, log into it. You should see this after you log in. As you can see, they show your username and the points you earned. Now, what you need to do is to look for the Earn Points section. After that, choose the Website Hits button because that will allow you to earn points by clicking on websites. Please stick around until the end of this video to see how will you cash out the points that you earned. There is no withdrawal button on this site, so it would be hard to cash out the money on your own. Do not worry because the steps on cashing out are absolutely easy. It does not require anything from you. Now, click the Visit button. This will redirect your page to another site. The screen will show that you need to wait for 15 seconds. Once the countdown is done, you can now exit the page and you will earn points from it. Now, just repeat the process over and over again. The more points that you can earn will be better because you can also cash out more money. Again, the next step would be to open your account and start visiting pages. Now, the last step is to cash out the money. Some of you might be asking about how we can cash out those points into real money. Well, you can cash it out through PayPal or any payment method that you want. I will show you how you can actually cash out your money from youlikehits.com. Again, you will be able to see your points in the dashboard, but you will not see any withdrawal options on it. Hence, you need to use an external platform to withdraw your money. I will show you how you can do this. It is also very easy, so stay tuned and watch. The next thing to do is to go to CPALead.com. On this site, sign up for a completely free account. Then, log into it. This is what your dashboard will look like. After that, press the Offer button on the left side. It will open to various offers on the CPA Marketplace. Some of you might be wondering, what is CPA? Well, CPA stands for cost per action. That means that you just need to refer someone to a URL and where they will be encouraged to sign up. The sign up process is absolutely free. All they need to do is to enter a valid email address and their name. So, we just need to get our referral link. You can also see that they have various offers that pay different amounts. Just choose anything that you think might be appealing to people. For this video, I will go with this one. It will pay me this amount per lead or person that I will be able to refer to on this website. So, they will have a chance to win some giveaways without spending any money. It is really easier to make people click and sign up on this than to sell something online. Now, get the referral link by clicking the offer. After that, you will see the link. Just copy it and shorten the link by going to bit.ly.com. Shortening the URL is optional, but I recommend you to do it because the normal link is too long. When you are at their page, just paste the copied link and click shorten. After that, they will show you the new shortened link. This link is just short, but it will still redirect clickers into the same page as the long one. Now, copy this link and you are done with the 5th step. For the 6th step, just go to twitter.com. I think most of you have their own Twitter account, but for those who do not have their own account, just sign up for a free one. Do not worry because you do not need to build your account by acquiring many followers or engagements. It does not matter how many followers you have because we will just use this site to cash out your money from youlikehits.com. Once you have your account, tweet something like this: "There is a new giveaway." Input some emojis and add the possible prize that they can get. After that, state that they can enter for free using the said link. Then, insert the shortened link on the tweet. Once you're done, click the tweet button. That's just it. After that, click the tweet and copy its URL. You will share this link to other people so that they will be able to sign up on the referral link that you gave. Now, you need to increase the traffic of your tweet. To do this, go back to youlikehits.com. The points that you have can be exchanged for Twitter retweets. When you have more points, then you will have more retweets. By retweeting it, you will get more traffic and more people will be able to see your referral link. That is how you can cash out the points that you have from youlikehits.com. That is also how you can exchange your points into actual money. Well, each website that you have visited is equal to one Twitter share. Since your tweet states that it is free, they will be interested in it, and they will probably sign up. It will cost them nothing to do certain actions, plus they will have a chance to win a gift card. It's also not gonna take a long time to sign up. You will earn money when more people sign up with your link. Again, all you need to do is to visit the websites and earn more points from it. Again, you are not selling anything. You just need to set it up once and then keep on visiting websites. After that, you will earn money from youlikehits.com. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.